Kira Nightingale, 22. She's a 4th year and a kinesiology major. Kira is suffering from narcissistic tendencies and a distorted sense of self. This material may not be reproduced, distributed, or otherwise used and is solely for the purposes of my master's in counseling.
Sorry I'm late. I totally just... Oh my god. Is that Watch Movado?
No, it's Timex. It's water resistant, actually.
Ew. Gross. Timex. Ugh.
Are you gonna have a seat?
Why not? I have been shopping all day. Look at my soul.
Wow.
Right? Like, for serious, I should be carried around by 4 Egyptian men all the time. Oh my god. Why wasn't I born a pharaoh?
So what are you here for?
I need some serious help.
I see that. What about?
Well, I just spent $300 on this. See?
Yes.
Do you even know what this is?
A bracelet.
This is a Pandora bracelet, okay? This is not just any bracelet. Pandora.
Right. So what are you having difficulty with again?
Well, I just spent $300. Hello? Okay, whatever. No sense of humor, woman. Look, I started dating online, right? Like 3 months ago. And now, well, like, I get paid for sex.
How did that happen?
Okay, so I went on one date with this guy, right? It was like our first date. And he took me home to his condo. And I was like, holy shit, I struck gold, bitch. And then I was like, okay, I like millionaires. And then he was like, yo, come to my room. And I was like, okay. And he brought out this huge whip from his closet and was like, can you whip me? And I was like, hell no, I ain't into that freaky shit. And he was like, I'll give you $1,000. So I whipped him. I whipped him good.
How did that make you feel?
Well, like, at first, I was like, oh my god, his butt is so red. And then I was like, where my dollar bills, yo? And then I went and bought this purse.
Right. No, but how did that make you feel inside, Kira?
Well, like, after I bought the purse, I was like, okay, no more. And then I saw this jumpsuit that I'm wearing today, and I was like, okay, one more time.
How many times has that been?
With this guy? Probably like 5 times so far.
Wait, there's other men involved?
Like, not at the same time, you slut!
You ever thought about stopping these affairs with these men?
Yeah, like, of course.
Then why don't you?
Look, I'm a college girl. When I'm 50, I won't be able to make such easy money. Anyway, are you gonna help me schedule my classes or what? I have to graduate this year.
You know I'm a counselor, right? Not part of the registrar's office.
Are you for serious?
Oh yeah.
Shit. I thought that form I filled out was to schedule my classes. Oh my god.
Whoopsies.
I thought those questions on the form were really personal. I can be such a ditz sometimes.
So I shouldn't schedule another appointment.
I don't have time for therapy, okay? Losers go to therapy. Winners get to wear these pants. Ta-ta.
A good counselor is someone who can learn to not make judgments on behalf of their patients. But seriously, what the fuck was that?